Hi, I'm Zookeeper Chad, and here I am with a very, very special animal called a Binturong. So our Binturong here at Hunter Valley Wildlife Park is called Boogle, and they are a very, very interesting animal. Almost very hard to describe. Some of the names that they're often called are bear cats, and that's simply because of the way that they look. It's nothing to do with being related to bears or to cats. They are in so many ways just a very gentle species. They are found in the Southeast Asian rainforests, and so much about them is different. They have a huge long prehensile tail, so if you sort of imagine like a possum, and they can hang their whole body weight off that, and they're 20 odd kilos, so very, very strong animals. Binturongs are a true omnivore, so they absolutely love fruit, but you have a look at their dentition, you can tell that that's not all that they like. They do eat quite a lot of protein, so we feed them things like chicken and other forms of sort of fresh meats, and you'd be surprised how much of their daily diet can actually be taken up with big pieces of food like that. One very interesting fact about them though, and you're not going to know this unless you just stand here for a moment and take some big deep breaths, is they actually smell like popcorn. And I know that doesn't sound like it could be possible, but it absolutely is. And they do have quite a strong smell, and it is part of their communication system between each other. You'll notice that when you do introductions of binturongs, which is quite a complicated task because they do prefer to live by themselves, but they do give off this very strong popcorn smell. And I mean, every animal in the entire animal kingdom has a unique smell to them, but for it to be popcorn, it is one of almost those mythical facts about a binturong that goes along with such an interesting animal. They're just such, to look at, almost a mixture of so many different species, and there's almost something mythical about them. And because they're so elusive and found in these isolated jungles, rainforests of Asia, they're just a very special animal. So please take the time just to stand and watch and wait for him, because he's not on the same time scale as what we are, but he's definitely worth watching for.